this week, I was looking out the window because I was bored, and I noticed some joggers jogging by, and they looked pretty cautiously because they were looking here and there, making sure no vehicles would hit them. And instead of joining the jog, they looked pretty worried about the jog. Now this is where my unique thought comes into play. How about there can be this type of bracelet, and it would be pretty, you can wear it, and it would be attractive, so others would buy it. Anyways, back to what I was saying. How about there can be this type of bracelet which can give you a beep while you're jogging to let you know there's a car behind you, so you can easily know, and you're like, whoops, there's a car behind me, I better move to the side a little. And likewise, the same bracelet can send a notification to the city that there are a lot of vehicles passing by here and a lot of people walking by. So maybe consider building a sidewalk here. Anyways, if you haven't guessed, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you. And like I just shared, how I got my unique thought just by monitoring my day-to-day surroundings. Now, if I can get my unique thought just by looking at the window and looking at joggers, I'm sure you can too. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and thank you for watching.